The sky darkens, the winds howl loud. Nature's fury beneath the shroud. The storm is coming, we brace for the hit. In the heart of chaos, we won't quit. Raindrops pounding like a war drum beat. Floodwaters rising, washing away the street. In the eye of the storm, we find our grace, holding on tight in this wild embrace. It's a hurricane tearing through the night, a wildfire burning, spreading out of sight, an earthquake shaking, breaking all we know. Nature's fury, in its power we grow. The earth quakes, mountains fall, a tidal wave answering the call. Landslides tumble, forests sway. We stand together, come what may. Through the fire and the rain, we persevere, facing the tempest, conquering all fear. In the wake of disaster, we find our light, rising from the ashes, ready to fight. It's a hurricane tearing through the night, a wildfire burning, spreading out of sight, an earthquake shaking, breaking all we know. Nature's fury, in its power we grow. When the storm is past and the skies are clear, we'll rebuild our wall, hold each other near. For in every trial we find our way. Through nature's fury, we seize the day. It's a hurricane tearing through the night, a wildfire burning, spreading out of sight, an earthquake shaking, breaking all we know. Nature's fury, in its power we grow. It's a hurricane tearing through the night, a wildfire burning, spreading out of sight, an earthquake shaking, breaking all we know. Nature's fury, in its